And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
This is Sea Lion leader Hamza Bari with this week's announcements. It's the last week of school before summer vacation. Thanks for making it a great year. The seniors are visiting McGaw on Monday morning. Have fun, graduates. The film festival is back for UTK, kinder, and first grade. We will see you in the auditorium at 12:40 on Monday. Fifth grade has a big day on Tuesday with the best day ever yearbook signings and promotion practice. College day is on Wednesday. The fifth grade promotion party is on Wednesday at 10:15 a.m. Who are you giving your golden pencil to? Come say farewell to Mr. Larson on Wednesday afternoon from 1:20 to 2 o'clock. Thank you for your service. Thursday is the last day of school. Fifth grade promotion begins at 9 o'clock a.m. Stick around for the clap out. Grades UTK through 4th are dismissed at 12:30 p.m. See you next year. Report cards are available to parents using Illuminate on Friday. Thank you so much, Sea Lions. Have a great summer.
Hi, Sea Lions. I'm 5th grader Trey Barr, Griffin class of 2033, and future Sea Lion alumni. This is a message of gratitude to 3 important groups. To the McGaw Sea Lions, thank you for treating each other with respect and kindness. Thank you for working so hard in class. To the McGaw staff, thank you so much for teaching us and for supporting us by being there whenever we need it. You're the best. And finally, to Seal Beach and the entire McGaw community, thank you for supporting us through the PTA and Project Seek. We appreciate your time and generous donations. Thank you, Sea Lions, for making this a memorable year.
UTK.
It's the final Sea Lion Splash of the year, and we're going to celebrate a few Robux winners. Congratulations to UTK student Sol Nomavuka. Mr. Blake said that he saw Sol finishing his lunch when he noticed some food under his table, so he did the right thing and just threw it away. Thanks, Sol, for being a good citizen of our school.
Kindergarten.
Miss Kim wants to celebrate kindergarten student Tanner G. She said that Tanner has been focused on the learning in class, and he's done some really great things in math, especially his equations when decomposing. Way to go!
First grade.
Mrs. Monteleone wants to celebrate first grader Luna Vargas. She said that Luna has been a hard worker in first grade all year long. She always shows that raw behavior inside and outside the classroom. We're all so proud of you, Luna. Thanks so much.
Second grade.
Mrs. Lee wants to celebrate second grader Caden Waller. She said that he is responsible, aware, and honorable because he's a kind friend to everyone. He respects others while they're working. Way to go, Caden.
Third grade.
Miss Wood wants to celebrate third grader Wyatt Prechtel. She said that Wyatt found a fellow Sea Lion's belongings and turned it into the principal. She made sure that the right person got their stuff back. Thanks so much, Wyatt.
Fourth grade.
Miss Cruz wants to celebrate fourth grader Henry Holloway. She said that Henry was a great mystery student who was focused on his project with his group and was very encouraging to all. We appreciate you, Henry, for all you've done.
Fifth grade.
And finally, Miss Melissa wants to celebrate fifth grader Brandon Picanzo. She says, thank you, Brandon, for being such a big help this week on the green team. Appreciate you.
Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great summer. No!
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and have a great summer. Bye!
Let's go sea lion! It's summertime!